Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can browse and copy the project templates that you can use for free, and you don't even need to log in on anywhere or pay any money to anything. Now, in order to do it, you just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for TrelloTemplates.com. You can see the right username over there. Here. Just to wait, I think the username is wrong. You need to search for trellotemplates.com. Here you can see this particular website will appear right in front of you, and from here you can see various templates are available for you. You can search by various domains. For example, if I go for business templates, I can see multiple templates here that I can use for my projects. I can just simply hit download and a Google Drive file, or I just need to simply hit use template and a file will download for me that I can use anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.